Hello everyone, this is Neil from Apidus. Today's video is all about Keysfan, your go-to place for affordable and genuine software licenses. We all know Microsoft charges a fortune for Windows and Office, sometimes hundreds of dollars for a single license. Keysfan changes that. They provide 100% genuine license keys for Windows 10, Windows 11, and Microsoft Office at prices anyone can afford. Here's how simple it is. Pick the software you want, complete your order, and your activation key arrives instantly by email. No waiting, no shady sellers, and no risk of losing access to them later. These are lifetime licenses, so once you activate, you're done. You can grab a Windows key and an Office key or bundle them together for even bigger savings. And yes, they work perfectly with Microsoft's official downloads and updates. I've tested them myself and they activate without issues. If you're upgrading your system or building a new PC, Keysfan is the best way to get your software legit and affordable. Check the special links in the description for discounts available only for my viewers. Now let's talk about Windows licenses. Many of you have asked where to get LTSC keys that actually work without paying Microsoft's crazy prices. Here's the answer. With Keysfan, Windows licenses are affordable, genuine, and permanent. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just one purchase and you're set. And for my viewers, there's an exclusive discount. Use the coupon code APIDUS50 at checkout to get a flat 50% off on all Windows products. That covers Windows 10, Windows 11, and yes, the LTSC versions everyone's been asking about. Payment is simple and secure. They accept all major credit cards and PayPal, so you can pay in seconds. After purchase, your key arrives instantly in your email. Just copy, paste, and activate your system right away. No waiting, no middleman. So if you've been holding back on activating your PC, this is your best chance. Check the link in the description, apply APIDUS50, and grab your Windows license at half price while the offer lasts. Activating Windows 11 is quick and simple. First, head to the Start menu and open Settings. From there, go to System, then scroll down to Activation. If you already have a product key, just click Change Product Key, paste it in, and hit Next. Windows will verify it, and in a few seconds, your system is activated. If you bought your license from Keysfan, your key will arrive instantly in your email. Copy it, paste it here, and you're done. No extra steps. Once activated, you'll unlock personalization settings, updates, and full system features without the constant activation watermark. That's it. In under a minute, your Windows 11 is fully genuine and ready to use. Now let's talk about Microsoft Office. If you rely on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or the full Office suite, Keysfan has you covered. And the best part is, you can get Office keys at a huge discount. Use the coupon code APIDUS62 at checkout to get 62% off on all Office products. That's more than half off, making it extremely affordable for students, professionals, or anyone who needs Office for work or personal use. Once you've purchased your key, activating it is incredibly simple. Open any Office app like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. When it prompts for a license, just enter your key and click Confirm. That's it. Your Office suite is fully activated, fully functional, and ready to use within seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the keys and coupons. See you in the next video. This is Apidus, signing off.